If you want to show widgets in Microsoft Edge, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. This is a simple setting, but it can make your Edge start page feel a lot more useful by showing you helpful widgets and at-a-glance information right where you open your browser. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to your home page or new tab page. On this page, look for the page settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear icon, and it is typically found in the top right area of the page. This gear icon is what controls the layout and content that appears on your start page. Once you find the gear icon, click on it. A settings panel should open on the side or in the middle of the page, depending on your version of Edge. In this panel, look for the option that says Show Widgets. This is the setting that controls whether widgets appear on your home page. Now simply toggle Show Widgets on. As soon as you turn it on, you should see widgets appear on your Edge homepage. These might include useful cards or quick information depending on your browser setup and available features. If you do not see them right away, give the page a moment to refresh or open a new tab to make sure the setting has been applied. And that's really all there is to it. By turning on Show Widgets in Edge, you can customize your home page and make it more interactive and more helpful every time you open a new tab. If you want, you can come back to the same gear icon later and turn the widgets off again just as easily. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.